Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1964 Corvette Roadster, finished in saddle. Gorgeous car. Bolt-on side pipes, power windows. It's got a original 327, 300 horse motor in it. Power steering. Saddle interior. My client's owned this car for about 25 years. He owns a body shop and painted it probably 15 years ago. He hardly drives it. Got a bunch of cars he's listing with us today. Car runs and drives fantastic. Simulated wood wheel, AM FM stereo, like I said, power windows, 4-speed. Saddle's kind of rare too. Don't really see these around anymore. Most of them were just painted. I like it. It's a gentleman's color. Side pipes sound fantastic as always. Fires right up. Runs fantastic. Just put new rugs down. Floor mats. Beautiful seats. Seat belts. Real nice frosting around the gauges. I think that 48,980 miles is real too. E-brake works. Sounds so nice. Gobs of oil pressure. Whew. Cold start, missing the needle on the tack. Power windows work really nice. You can see it's an original saddle car too. Not like the side pipes. Sounds real good. Got power steering, all the shielding's in place. Real nice, honest car. Take it for a ride. It needs to be driven. He hardly drives this thing ever. Man, it sounds so good. This car just needs to be driven. He never drives it. Radio works. Fan works. clock does not work. Oh, there it goes. Sometimes you can hit them and they'll start working, like this one. There it goes. Horn works. Just gotta get a needle on that tack. Sounds like it just needs a tune-up too. Drives nice and straight. This needs to be driven, this car. Man. Give me a call, guys, 631-339-0399. You can also check out tons of photos I took today on the website. It's a real deal, numbers matching, 64 Corvette Roadster. Thanks a lot.